You've seen the headlines, felt the buzz, and heard the whispers. Cathie Wood, the lady herself, has sent forth a warning that is upending the very foundation of the stock market. And at the center of it all is the mysterious Tesla, the firm that's changing not just how we drive, but also the whole nature of investing. We're delving further into the peculiar situation of Tesla's stock shortage in this video. We'll examine the complex interplay between supply, demand, and the direction of our financial system as we untangle the strands of this engrossing story. So come along as we dive into the fascinating tale of Cathie Wood's warning and Tesla's stock shortage. Whether you're an experienced investor looking for the next great thing or just a curious mind ready to understand the complexities of the financial cosmos. The voyage offers surprises around every corner and a first-hand view of a narrative that is being written as it goes. As always, though, we would like you all to click the like and subscribe buttons before we continue. With great pleasure, we present to you this video from Tesla Stock News. Having stated that, let's go on. Hello, let's talk about some fascinating news that the California Public Utility Commission has to provide. Right now, they are voting on applications from Waymo and Cruise. These apps want to increase the number of vehicles in their fleets and run entirely on autopilot across the whole city of San Francisco. The industry, as well as our perception of the roads, may be significantly impacted by this choice. Okay, let's examine the specifics. The meeting has started, but we might not hear back from the CPUC until later, even though it's lower down the agenda. In summary, this decision concerns the specific approval of 24/7 autonomous service in San Francisco, not the state of California as a whole. Additionally, they might eventually include split fare routes. Let's change topics and chat about Tesla. Tesla is at the forefront of the electric vehicle manufacturing industry. The business appears to be headed toward becoming a significant participant in the industry and building a solid presence there over time. What's the best thing then? It's amazing how the opinions of respected commentators like Gary Black and Cathie Wood coincide. Their perspectives, as communicated in recent interviews, highlight Tesla's outstanding rate of growth and its unrealized potential for profitability. They seem to be singing the same tune, highlighting the harmony of Tesla's achievements and their strong dedication to sustainability, a path that extends beyond the company's car manufacturing. Of course, it's crucial to understand that no business, no matter how strong, is impervious to the obstacles that will eventually arise along the route. In this ever-changing environment, Tesla, like every other trailblazer, will face its share of difficulties. But what really distinguishes a business is its capacity to overcome these challenges with shrewd strategic maneuvering. It's like a big voyage when deliberate movements are made to navigate unknown waters. Essentially, the story is about more than just identifying the difficulties. Rather, it's about highlighting Tesla's unwavering resolve to confront them head-on. Every obstacle turns into a chance for creativity, a way to show resiliency, and a step toward achieving the organization's goals for sustainability. As the story develops, Tesla's unwavering dedication to its objectives drives the company ahead, telling a riveting tale of tenacity and advancement. Therefore, as we go on this trip with Tesla, let's keep in mind that a company's techniques for overcoming obstacles define it, not the obstacles themselves. The script of sustainability and the steadfast commitment to its storyline are what really enthrall and leave a lasting impression on the global stage in the vast theater of business. Considering an investment horizon of 5 years, electric vehicles appear to have a bright future. Gas-powered vehicles saw about 7% decline in global market share last year, while electric vehicles held a roughly 69% share. As electric vehicles become more affordable than their gas-powered equivalents, this trend is expected to continue. Electric vehicles are unlikely to suffer the same destiny as the auto industry, even if it does have a setback, which is quite plausible. Elon Musk had planned to deliver between 1.8 and 2 million cars this year, but it appears that they may need to temporarily halt operations in the third quarter in order to do maintenance and improvements. In true Elon Musk fashion, expectations have been lowered to the lower end of that range. When it comes to expectations, Tesla made a big declaration in 2020 that it intended to increase car deliveries by 50% annually going forward. The attainment of this growth rate is contingent upon various factors, including but not limited The investor with a clear vision and unwavering faith in Tesla, Cathie Wood, offers an insightful and motivating viewpoint. She draws attention to a basic fact. Businesses with a strong innovation advantage are the ones who survive difficult times in the economy and come out on top. It's similar to possessing an undiscovered weapon that keeps you moving forward even in difficult situations. And what do you know? Tesla appears to be the ideal representation of this idea. Let's take a closer look at Cathie's ideas. She sees an abrupt transition from the conventional world of internal combustion engines to the cutting-edge world of electric automobiles, similar to tectonic plates moving beneath the surface of the financial system. This shift is a deliberate decision to embrace sustainability and confront the urgent issues of climate change head-on, not merely a modification in the vehicles we drive. With their small environmental impact, EVs are starting to stand out as the movement's leaders. Furthermore, there is a growing need for cleaner transportation options as people become more aware of air pollution and its effects on the environment. This is where the magic happens, though, at the meeting point of this enormous technological advancement with this worldwide transformation in consciousness. Consider it an innovative symphony that is bringing EVs from the periphery to the main stage. Early obstacles that previously looked insurmountable have been removed thanks to advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and electric drivetrain development. Currently, EVs are a widely accepted, realistic, and practical solution. Even though the initial cost could be a little higher, EVs are becoming a more and more alluring option in the long run due to their lower maintenance costs and protection from the price volatility of fossil fuels. Let's now change tack and utilize Gary Black's observations, another astute brain that is unraveling the mystery surrounding Tesla. See Tesla as a dynamic canvas that is just ready to be painted with a variety of catalysts that have the potential to skyrocket the company's shares. Imagine the following: the Cybertruck's imminent release, an alluring $7,500 tax credit for electric vehicles to sweeten the pot, rumors of a revised Model 3, and intriguing clues regarding the arrival of a more reasonably priced Tesla model. This is a strategic roadmap that has the potential to completely transform the electric vehicle market, not just a wish list. But don't let the excitement end there. Hold on to your hats. To secure its raw materials, Tesla is entering the mining industry with boldness. Think of them as contemporary alchemists, producing and honing the necessary components for their automotive sorcery. Tesla is poised to become a trailblazing American automaker that not only assembles automobiles, but also produces its own lithium thanks to its refinery located in Robstown, Texas. It's similar to seizing the reins of supply chain destiny and guaranteeing a more seamless, independent transition to the electric future. Here's where the mastermind behind it all, Elon Musk, works his magical vision. According to him, refining lithium is a calculated step that will expedite the production process rather than only being a practical decision. The goal is to get rid of any bottlenecks and make sure that nothing outside of Tesla is impeding its expansion. It is the perfect example of Tesla's unwavering dedication to autonomy, sustainability, and innovation. One lithium atom at a time, the company is shaping a new future of mobility, not just cars. Here it is, a broad overview of Tesla's complex story told through the perspectives of Cathie Wood and Gary Black. It's a story about tenacity, creativity, and the unwavering quest for a more sustainable, electrified future. It seems like the end of a gripping book as we approach the conclusion of our fascinating journey into Tesla's future. On this trip, we have traveled across the complex environments that prepare the way for Tesla's impending domination. The strands we've carefully untangled include innovation, which is the driving force behind progress, sustainability, which serves as a compass for a future that is greener, and strategic brilliance, which serves as Tesla's North Star in its quest for greatness. Let me now pose this question to you. What part do you think Tesla will play in the constantly changing landscape of the automobile industry? As electric vehicles enjoy the spotlight, are you feeling the electric charge of transformation? Your observations have the capacity to spark fresh debates and advance our group's comprehension. Answers should be left in the comments area. Please remember to give this look into the world of Tesla a thumbs up and subscribe to Tesla Stock News for future updates if you liked it. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in our upcoming films.